Hey guys, Gillian Berry here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be awesome. I'm so excited for this video for you guys. I am doing a what I eat in a day video, and it's going to be a little bit different. My mom is going to be in this video as well. Starting out right here in my city, Toronto, on Bloor Street, I am getting a smoothie at my favorite juicery. I actually just dropped my kids off at school, so I had a smoothie when I started the day with them. And it is a beautiful day here in Toronto. It's going to be 5 degrees today. It's really fantastic for us, and it's going to be a good one, so come along. Okay guys, so here we are. This is a place that I often come. It is right in Toronto. It's the Village Juicery, and I actually get colonics behind here as well. It's a separate place called Flow Hydrotherapy. I'm not having a colonic today, but I love colonics as well now and then. But the Village Juicery is great. They have fresh cold pressed juices, smoothies, and I'm also going to grab some dried mango. My mom and my kids love it, and then one of these chia puddings, which has dried, which is raw, fully raw as well. So it just also has some raw granola and stuff like that. So I'm gonna grab this for later, or for my mom or one of my kids as well. And I'm gonna grab a couple smoothies as well because they have the best smoothies. It is the weekend right now, so my mom is in town and I'm filming a lot of videos today. So you're gonna see some of my favorite raw gourmet meals ever on this planet because I've picked up some stuff to go. Start with the smoothie and then I'll head home and show you when it's time to eat next. And I can't wait to show you guys everything that's in store. And I can't wait for you guys to see my mom sample some of the raw foods as well. Because like I said, she owns a steakhouse and she has eaten a lot of meat over the years, but she's been staying with me and getting way more into raw, and she's super into it. So I'm gonna introduce her to some yummy dishes today. So stay tuned for that, guys, and let's grab the smoothie. This is so good, you guys. So I got the Tropical Recovery Smoothie, which is a mixture of different fruits and 𝗟𝗡𝗡𝗡 and some things I actually haven't tried. So I'll put the ingredients on the screen. And I got another yummy, freaking delicious looking smoothie as well. This is called Brain Food here, and I got this for my amazing friend Kevin, who's behind the camera. I actually do not know how to film and edit my own videos, so I thank God for Kevin, came across my path, destiny, to help me make all these amazing videos. So here's our amazing smoothies we're gonna enjoy right now, and then I will bring you guys back on when we start our next meal with my mom. I'm so excited. Here we are back at my apartment, and about an hour has passed since I filmed with you guys last at the smoothie bar, and I feel like something else before my mom and I have a lunch. So I am gonna enjoy some coconut water and some of the coconut meat, which is one of my favorite things in this whole wide world. So I highly recommend, if you guys haven't tried or don't buy coconuts, think outside of the box, outside of your comfort zone, pick one up. And I have this amazing tool, which if you watch my channel, you've seen before. This is the Coco Jack. And you know what? Sometimes I get complaints in my apartment for cracking coconuts. They think there's major construction going on, but it's worth cracking the coconuts. And then it pops off. I just strain the water. And then I also scoop the meat out, and it is so delicious. It has so many nutrients, and I absolutely love it. This lifestyle, you guys, I love it so much. And I just want to say today is a really busy day. Most of my days are actually pretty busy, but today I'm filming a lot of videos, which I love. Nothing makes me happier than filming and making videos for you guys. Filming this what I eat in a day video. I'm also filming a video with one of my friends who has major digestive problems. So he only has bowel movements every few days. And he has a lot of anxiety and depression and a lot of health problems and a lot of the stuff that I suffered from before I went raw. So I'm actually doing a 30-day challenge with him. He wants to do 30 days raw. So he's coming over. We're going to do the intro. I'm so excited for that video. So make sure you guys subscribe for that. And I'm also filming a video. People ask me all the time, have you lost your periods, lost your hair? How's your libido? All these classic deterioration symptoms that some people say they experience on the vegan diet. So I haven't experienced any of those. I'm doing a video about that. And then another great video about how to eat raw vegan when your family isn't, because my kids and my family are not raw vegan. That's gonna be a great video as well. And yeah, it's a super busy day. I have my mom in town, which is awesome. A lot of times when it's the weekend and I have guests, I will pick up some takeout from my favorite raw food restaurant. So I have done that today, and you're gonna see her try and me try some of the best raw meals I've ever had in my entire life. So I really can't wait to show you guys that. And yeah, so I'm gonna enjoy these coconuts, and then I'm gonna go do a little bit of work, get ready for a video. And when it's lunchtime, we will check back in with you guys, and you'll meet my mom, and you guys can see the meal we're gonna have. All right, so it is lunchtime. This is gonna be a surprise dish for my mom, so I'm holding it like this. Here we go.
Oh my God, that's beautiful.
So this I picked up from Raw Aura because, like I said, it's a crazy busy day for me, and I have my mom in town, and it's Friday, and I'm going up north to spend some time with my ex-husband and the kids, so it's really busy with videos and everything, so I picked up some food. This is all raw. This is a cashew beet ravioli. It is one of my favorite dishes. My mom has never tried it, so say hi to my mom too.
Hello.
I know she's nervous to be on camera, but I told her all my subscribers, all my viewers are so nice, and if anybody's not nice, then I'm gonna attack you right back about my mom because she's awesome. So give her some love.
This is my first time on camera, so I'm nervous.
Yeah, so give her some love in the comments. She's awesome. So she's currently staying with me for a little bit because she's a tenant at her place up north.
And I miss you.
And she loves us.
And I miss my grandkids.
Yeah, we've loved having you here.
Yeah.
And I live in a really small apartment currently, and we are all getting along great and not ripping each other's heads off, which is great. So my mom has actually been eating a lot more raw too, since you can stay with me.
And she always makes me wonderful food, Gillian. I want to take her home with me.
Yeah. And you like the raw food, right?
Oh, I love it. I have no problem eating raw with you.
Yeah, it's so good. And I've also set out, I know my mom likes some of these kale chips. So these are sour cream and onion kale chip. So everything's raw. The raw diet is not boring, you guys. And for me though, like these are treats. Usually I don't eat like kale chips and like gourmet stuff, but for a treat now and then, it's great. But I usually feel my best, like the cleanest I eat, but this is great. And then these are a cashew, red pepper, cheesy kale chip also. And then this is like a sesame citrus dressing from Raw Aura as well. So I'm going to use some of that. I just want to ask too, like you've known me my whole life, right?
Obviously.
And what do you think the biggest differences are you've seen in me since before when I was carnivore versus now when I'm raw vegan?
Definitely energy.
Yeah.
1000%. I can't keep up with you.
Yeah.
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 And the way you look.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's anti-aging. I look like so much younger raw.
Yeah.
And you guys probably look at my mom and think, well, people say it's your genes why you look young, and that's not the case. My mom can eat anything and look amazing. And have you guys noticed some people can eat anything and still have perfect skin and look amazing, but I'm not like that. If I ate a pizza tonight, like I would age 6 years by tomorrow. Like I do not look good when I do not eat well. So
no. Yeah.
Well, let's try it. I'd love to see you try it. It looks so good. This is really, really delicious. Hey, but you've been enjoying all the raw foods I've been making, right?
I love it.
Yeah, my mom's been like super satisfied and like loving the raw foods, so.
Especially the zucchini pastas you make me.
Yeah. I make a lot of the zucchini pastas. They're my favorite. They're my go-to. You like beet, right? I never asked
really
before.
good. Oh my god, it's delicious.
Because I picked this up there today. You guys hear me talk a lot about their food because I love it. But it's all raw because it's not heated above 118 degrees. And it still has like all the enzymes intact and all the life intact. Like it's real, raw, living food. So like it makes you feel like alive and energized and amazing.
It's good.
Yeah. And you guys, I'm so excited. So my mom has never done, you've never done many cleanses, right?
No, I did a grape one once.
Yeah.
Last summer.
For how long?
3 days.
Yeah, so my mom and I are actually... We're feeling the call to do another grape cleanse next week. So we're going to both do 3 days only eating grapes. So make sure you subscribe or stick around for that because we will definitely share those results. See what happens. So good, right? All right, guys. We're going to enjoy this meal. And when it's time for a snack next and also for the amazing dinner we're going to have, I will turn the camera back on. Show you guys what we're gonna have. Here we are, it is snack time. I've actually changed because I was just filming a different video, a great video. And here we are, we're both hungry. It's the afternoon now. And I've prepared some amazing snacks. I'm so excited for my mom to try a yellow dragon fruit. She's never tried one. Have you seen one of these before?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Over here, I've just never had one.
Yeah, so we're gonna see her reaction to this, and I love this. And then I'm gonna have some coconut almond yogurt that I homemade the other day. My mom saw me making that. And that's a Lou Corona recipe, and it is so good. I've done that recipe on my channel below. I'll link it below, or before, I mean. But this is so good, you guys. There's nothing like this homemade yogurt. So good. My mom doesn't like it. She tried it once, but you didn't like it.
No, I've never tried it.
You've never tried this?
No.
Oh, okay. Here, try it.
I'll taste it.
I love it. I've given it to other people who aren't raw and they didn't love it, but be honest.
Not a fan of that.
No, that's okay. Anyway, I love that, you guys. So I'll link that below. It's just coconuts and almonds are used in the process to make it. And then I put some berries on it too. And it has probiotics in it as well, and some protein powder and some other amino acids and other things that are so important for us vegans. So let's try it. It's a beautiful yellow dragon fruit. I love these so much. So with these, you just use a spoon and you can just scoop it out and then try it. I'm sorry, that's a big spoon. I forgot to get a smaller spoon. Okay. It's huge.
Well, that's good.
Right?
That I like.
And she's not raw, and she is a silent partner at a steakhouse, so she's
not silent anymore, am I?
Sorry. So she's not raw, and she likes this. You guys, I have so many of you guys, my amazing subscribers, reach out to me and say, I tried a yellow dragon fruit because of you. And they literally come back to the channel just to type and say how good it is. They take the time to do that because that's how good this fruit is. These are always at the Asian markets that I go to here in Toronto. I go to 888 Dundas at Chinatown in Mississauga. It's the best. I shout out to you guys because you help carry the coconut cases, oranges, and everything in my car for me. You guys are so nice there. So I always get them there, so you guys can find them at your local Asian markets or your local Chinatown for sure, I would say, because they know where it's at with the tropical fruits. And my local stores, like the regular stores, I haven't seen them too often, the yellow, so you might have to hit up the Asian markets, but just keep your eye out for these. It's worth the drive. If you can see them at the regular stores, then pick them up. And they also have the red kind and the white kind as well. Which are good, but there's nothing like this one. Look how fast she's downing this. Do you want the other one so you can have it? So these are amazing, guys. One of my favorite fruits. And I wanted to have her try a grenadilla as well, but I realized I ate them all yesterday, so sorry. So is this going to be enough for you for a snack, these?
Yeah.
Yeah, and I'm going to enjoy the yogurt. Between now and dinner, I'm going to film one more video. So what I usually do is I like to try film like 4 videos in one day. And I love it. So after the other video, I will come back when it's dinner time for us.
I hope you have dessert.
I have the best dinner from my mom. I'm so excited. And I have the best desserts ever, these raw vegan desserts. So stay tuned. We'll show you guys what's in store. All right, guys. So a couple hours have passed and my mom and I have worked up quite the appetite. So I cannot wait to show you guys what I'm going to surprise her with for a raw, beautiful gourmet dinner. So let's go show her what we have. All right, here we are. And my apartment's tiny, so I hope you guys aren't too bored that we're sitting at the same table for every meal, but it is what it is. Yeah, so we have, this is again from 𝗟𝗡𝗡𝗚. So most of my videos, you guys see me prepare everything, but today I bought it. So this is a raw coconut curry. How does that, good is that? And then this, look at this. This is a raw lemon pepper Alfredo pasta.
Wow.
So for anybody who doesn't know, you just use the zucchini noodles, and I have like a spiralizer, which I show in all my videos. I will link down below. And you just,
easy.
Yeah, you spiralize the noodles, make the sauce.
I know, it's great.
So good. So which one do you feel drawn to? You can try both, or you can have that one. Yeah. Okay, go ahead, try it. Let's see. It's so good. That is probably my.
I already smell it. It smells really good.
That is probably my favorite raw vegan dish that there is. Oh, I'm so awkward with chopsticks.
Oh my God, that's to die for.
So good. That's, like I said,
so good.
A yellow coconut curry sauce, and then they put pineapple and some other things in it as well.
All my favorite things.
And they use some like shaved coconut on the top. And yeah, this is a lemon pepper Alfredo, and then this has some mushrooms.
I love staying here. I always eat so well.
Yeah, good. I love making you food. It's so nice making the raw foods for someone when they truly enjoy it. So I love that. I love having you here and making you food. And yeah, this is just so good. So yeah, they put a little bit of arugula in here too. So I have a recipe on my channel for an Alfredo sauce as well, which I'll link below, which is good. And then you could also do what they did, which is add some arugula and mushroom to it as well, and a lot of pepper. But
you could put mango in that too,
so,
couldn't you?
Yeah, you could put mango in that too. Anyway, I think that's it for this meal. I've got some, you guys don't need to see us eat the whole meal, but I have got some amazing desserts that I can't wait to show you guys and show my mom. So I'll get those when we're done this. And is there anything else you want to say? Do you want to tell them all my secrets or anything? No. So we'll finish this and we'll show you guys the desserts in a little bit. All right, guys, so here we go. It's dessert. Ooh. So I have some amazing desserts here. Everything's amazing. I know I always say that, but it is. So I have a carrot cake. This is a raw
carrot cake too.
Raw carrot cake. Again, everything's from 𝗟𝗡𝗡𝗚 today. It's not sponsored or anything. It's just my favorite place. These are like chocolate peanut butter raw cups. I'm not gonna eat the chocolate. You guys know I don't eat cacao. It just messes with me like a drug, and my mom knows that.
Yeah.
She can tell when I'm on cacao. I'm like somebody
she's high
on drugs. And then this is a key lime cake. A key lime.
Oh my God.
Key lime pie. I know my mom loves these, and I used to eat these when I used to.
Those are so good.
When I used to eat chocolate, you guys, these I got at Whole Foods. These are raw.
They're amazing.
Chocolate bars. If you eat chocolate, these are like again, not sponsored.
But they're not bitter like some you get raw, whatever. They're bitter. Those aren't bitter.
Yeah, I would love. I've actually never had that carrot cake. I'm not gonna eat too much dessert because I mean I don't like to eat much dessert. But I'll try a bite of this key lime cake. I've never tried it.
I'll try the key lime.
It's good. Oh my God.
Try that one.
That tastes so good. Tastes exactly like key lime. I don't know how they do that. I don't personally make desserts at home as a raw vegan because I'll just eat them all the time. I don't have a dehydrator because I'll just eat too much dehydrated food. But wow, that's good. I don't know what they use for that, but that's delicious. So I love key lime. That's it for today's day of eating. So later on, if my mom gets hungry, I will probably, or if I get hungry, both of us, it's just, I try not to eat too late in the day. So I try to stop eating around like 5 or 6 at the latest.
Snack on grapes.
Sometimes I'll have some grapes or a chia seed pudding at night, but I really feel my best if I stop eating hours before bed so that when I'm sleeping, my body can focus on resting, not have a full stomach. I noticed a huge difference because one day last week I ate right before bed and I felt like so tired when I woke up. So if you're looking to feel more awake, then maybe do some like mini intermittent fasting and stop eating earlier in the evening. But yeah, also I make my mom this blue spirulina ice cream, which I'll link below. That. She loves that. So
my favorite.
And if you guys have loved seeing my mom in this video, which I hope you have, then comment down below, give her some love. And if you want to see more what I eat in a day videos or more like vlog style, let me know.
Give her some love. She deserves it.
Oh, thanks. You're cute. Thanks, Mom. So we love having her around. And yeah, that's it for today's video. And let me know what kind of content you guys want to see next. And I would love to create that for you guys. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.